everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady Jill. My bonga people. This one shocked me. This one will be say I just hear from a Mayori platform now. This one it shocked me. More na listen what did this girl they talk? What did yours man they do?
And the man not they stay the same place. But later, the man will go to tell people they go saying, and so I know good, and so I know get character. You even get some of his friends, you go to tell the saying, and so my toto too big, and so my toto too small. So that's why you know if he marry me. From my back, you go to tell people. Even if the toast girl, we go to tell the girls the same thing. Then later I will come back. He go say that kind man make I go back to the man and seek for your advice. Say he go say man when you born for the man. So but me and the man not they stay the same place. But later the man will go to tell people they go saying and so I know good, and so I know get character. You even get some of his friends, you go to tell the saying and so my toto too big, and so my toto too small. So that's why you know if he marry me. From my back, we go to tell people. Even if the toast girl, we go to tell the girls the same thing. Then later, I will come back on the beg me. He go say that kind man make I go back to the man again. Because most of his friends, they don't hear it. As if they tell me sometimes, me go to shame, say, man, when I born for stay by Toto, they smell me. Toto, when even they beg to do, is when they talk, say, so that time, man, he go say, as he come, they beg, say, may I still go back to them? Because the thing, they bother me, but it they vex me. Anytime I can remember, I would they vex. But as they beg to go back to them, the thing no come in my mind. The same man, when they talk, now say, my, so my Toto no good, my Toto big. And at the same man, when they say, why you know, when we meet, I can't they complain, say, this thing too small. It's small. It be like my last finger for hand.
Okay, you break it small.
You know, go even this 1 minute, it don't come. But as I tell her, it can't beg because say no. Say no, be no, I don't complain about it. He say, me I
more than listen, no. Now it be 1 minute man, no. Now the girl say John Thomas is small. Now you see they say the girl Kpekus the smell.
So the thing, I can say okay. Now before look, I never even further reach 3 months.
Mona listen to this story. Very interesting story, and they go make many people. I want to call. What's in one hour? Me. Oh my red line me. I'm not very no turn. So that don't tell me no time or you want to me or I call it. You might get one of our contribute to you. I will wait back.
Good evening, ma. Maybe girl will tell me once to talk. I be once to seek for your advice. Say it good.
My darling people, she say, when I hear now what she talk just now, I say, a man could they talk and they go say, Kpekus this me. And now be 1 minute man. Now he say they talk say, a wife Kpekus this me. You go to tell the friends for outside. Let's assume say na truth now. Say your wife Kpekus the risk me. You not go fee a palm. You not go fee tell am say my woman why your Kpekus they smell like this. You not go fee tell am for his ass when you come go to talk am for outside. Now wow, my darling people now wow for some measure. Some kind of things will be the year sometimes for this from your platform. The thing go to shocktalize me. Some men are terrible, really. Okay, let's assume say your wife Kpekus now. If they read this me, you no go fit a palm. Would this stop you to tell them say my woman, see you, this your Kpekus the way it is me, so I don't like him. Would it stop you to tell them like that? When you come begin go to tell your friends, say your wife Kpekus this me. My ogbonga people more na dey listen no even also no wagbon person your husband. Now this same platform I see woman wey say he send e young Kpekus go give a husband for Nigeria. Say your husband dey Nigeria. He can send a Kpekus go give your husband. Your husband can say no some men I go say I send they miss your Kpekus now. Snap and come send and give me man see I be now. So women they will do one. For me I don't feature that kind of nonsense. The woman can't really send a Kpekus, come send and go give the man. He said, I go give the man finish. Now the man come begin the announce and they go, they tell everybody, they go say, hey, see my wife Kpekus, so come they send down. Nah, I can't wonder. This man, the day okay. Your own wife Kpekus, you the send and snap him, they share and they go. I can't wonder. When I sure say this man, they okay. The woman say, no. He send the Kpekus. Even when Yore shop talize where the woman they talk about, they say, he no know. He send the young Kpekus go give you a husband. The husband begin to share. So he even share and go reach the young brother hand, the man brother. The brother come they ask her now, say, brother, why you send your wife? Why you send this Kpekus come give me? He said, my wife. When I say, why you come snap her? Why you come send and give me? What time use the wife Kpekus they do? So the one time you say that kind of man, they normal. When I sure say that my son not come up for your head. Your wife Kpekus. This same platform now for see here. Not one person know the year where we say some people they do sometimes. Me go they wonder if these old women they in this world night and day. Oh, who does that? Your own wife Kpekus. You snap, you send them. Your wife snap and consent and give you. You come with the share and they go. See shoptalize me. See this one now. A man will follow theirs. A young man. They tell his friends, say, my wife Kpekus the smell. Nothing when most are not go see for gate. Oh, where they for the see all those kind of me they wonder. Where not for the see them, oh, because we're not supposed to stay with these kind of people for us. This ones, they don't be people now. This one, it shocktalize me. This one shocktalize me. Who does that? Share your own wife, Kpekus. They share and they go for everywhere they go. Hey, not to when Musa not go see for gate really. You see, they surprise me, sha. My darling people. But when I be careful for man, when I go the day with some men are just mugre. Some men don't know. Some men are just mumu. When they be careful for some kind of men when I go to stay with because this kind of man, now you want me to say this one they normal. He not they normal. He not they okay. A man where they okay not go do this kind of thing to your wife. This man not they okay. This man they sick. These two men, so when I talk about they sick, they not they okay. My darling people, now the matter where they ground. Now say man come share and give una. If I not share and give una, wait till I gain. I say make I share my darling people. So my Obonga people, thank you for watching. Always subscribe, always share my video, always put thumbs up for my video anytime you watch my video, and always leave a good comment. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye, everybody. Bye.